Good morning, everybody. If you look at the board today, it looks like a mumble jumble mess. I know everyone's favorite subject when we got to it was, or topic would have been ratios. A lot of us got confused by mixing up either signs, labels. We just got to make sure we keep everything in the same order. When we're doing scale drawings, this is going to work the same way. You want to make sure your labels are the same on either the numerator or the denominator. So we'll start today. Scale drawing. We're going to go over an example and then I'll do one more and hopefully this helps you out. So scale drawings. The scale on a set of architectural drawings for a house is a 1/2 inch equals 1.5 feet. So if you look at a picture and you measure it out and it's a 1/2 inch, that equals 1.5 feet. So they want you to find the length of each of the rooms. So if you look at example 1, we have the living room. And it's 5 inches equal how many feet? So I converted this from fractions to decimals. So we have our 1/2 inch, so I put it as a decimal, is 0.5 inches. And they're telling us that the total length is 5 inches. So here's where we put our 5 inches. Now on the denominator, I took our 1.5 foot fraction and I turned that into a decimal. So 1.5 feet is equal to how many feet in 5 inches? So this same process we've been doing for quite a while, cross multiplying and dividing. So we took our 1.5 feet times 5 inches, which comes out to be 7.5 feet. Now we're going to take that number, bring that down to the bottom. We're going to do 7.5 feet divided by our 0.5 inches, which comes out to be 15 feet. So then entire room at 5 inches long would equal 15 feet. All right, so example 2, we'll go over this one, laundry rooms. It's 3 1/4 inches long. So we're gonna rewrite this whole process. We're gonna take our 1/2 inch equals 1.5 feet. All right, 0.5 inch over. Now we're given that it's 3 1/4 inches long when measured. So 3 1/4 as a decimal would be 3.25 inches. Now you have to look. You see I still have the same label on the top of the numerator. So inches and inches. So on the bottom we're going to put our feet. And our original measurement for a 1/2 inch is equal to 1.5 feet. So on the bottom we'll put our 1.5 feet. And we need to figure out how many feet are equal to 3.25 inches. So this is our unknown right now. Something we don't know. That's what we're going to find out. So now we're going to cross multiply and divide. We're going to take 1.5 times 3.25. So 1.5 feet times 3.25 inches. And that equals 4.875. All right, so now we're going to take that number, the 4.875. 4.875. Now we have to divide. What is left? We did this. Now we divide by 0.5. And that should equal 9.75. 9.75 feet. So that equals. So a room measuring 3.25 inches should equal 9.75 feet. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just send me an email. And remember, the second Super Bowl the 49ers won, Super Bowl 19. 49ers 38, Miami 16. Still telling you how great they are. And don't forget to subscribe. Mr. Hebert on YouTube. World famous, soon to be.